And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the post notification bell also down below for my channel to be notified of all of my future uploads. So it's prom day today, YouTube prom day that is, not literal prom day, but this is prom season. So I went out and I picked out a few affordable dresses from fashionnova.com with my own money. I also picked out a bunch of affordable makeup from Target, and I also picked out a bunch of affordable wigs as well to go with that makeup and the dresses that I got from Fashion Nova. So today is going to be my first prom look, and I have never tried on this dress or the wig, and so I don't really know if they were going to go together, but I can't wait to see the final result. So the wig that I ended up purchasing for today's look is the full lace wig, Mimi wig by the Janet collection. Now, before I even get into trying on this wig, I just wanted to say that the Janet collection, y'all really tried it. It has in really big, bold letters, bold words, full lace wig, okay? I know you know, and I know that a full lace wig means the entire wig cap is lace, which means the entire wig cap, you can do parting, you can do different styles because it's completely versatile if it's a full lace wig. You know what I'm saying? So I saw this on the package and I'm looking, I'm like, oh wait, it's a Pixie and it's a full lace wig. Let me pick that up. That would be really cute for prom. So today I'm unpackaging the wig just to, you know, do a little bit of behind the scenes clips. And I noticed that this thing is not even close to being full lace, honey. This thing is completely wefted, and literally just the perimeter of the front has lace. What is that? You're not wearing this wig out of your face, and even if you were, it's hard lace in the front. Wig companies still have hard lace in the front, so it's a no from me on that. And then in the back, they have the nerve to have soft lace in the back, but what are you doing? This wig is not long enough to go in a ponytail. You can't do a bun. There's no reason for you to be combing it out of away from your neck. What's the point of that? This is nowhere near full lace. So Mimi, what is the name of this company? Janet collection, y'all really tried it. Like, that's false advertising to the utmost. They have the nerve to have it really small here underneath it, front and rear. If it's just in the front and rear, how is it full lace? So I wouldn't even be that mad if the wig had a parting space here, because that's one thing that these wig companies really need to work on. When you have a short wig, no one wants to have a beehive closure at the top. Have some type of parting space so that it can look natural, so that it can mimic an actual virgin hair wig. Like, come on, y'all need, this is 2018, y'all really need to get it together. Like, that's like common sense though. Hopefully when I put this on, I can at least put like some concealer or foundation there to mimic a part, since it's only going to be worn for prom night, but we're gonna see. Now, I have never tried the mommy wig, and I know it was super duper popular, but I did try the Outre Doobie Pixie cut wig, which I fell in love with. I literally bought like 7 of those wigs. I loved that wig, but I hate the fact that it had no parting space. So I thought that this might have been a little bit different because it said full lace. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna have a short little cute little Pixie with some parting space. But obviously, honey, they fooled me. They fooled me. Okay, so now that all of that is cut off, I'm just gonna try her on and see what we're working with here and try to make her work, because this is the wig that I have for the look for today. If you're new to wearing wigs, I'm just going to put the comb in the back, stretch her forward, but I'm gonna close my eyes, y'all. Okay. For some reason, I feel like this is not all the way on my head. Like, I feel like it is small. My head is big. I don't feel like it's covering my entire head. Okay. This wig is not big head friendly. What do you guys think about Mimi? Let me open my eyes. prom and this happened and I put this wig on, I would literally cry because this looks terrible. It's a no for me. So what we gonna do with her? What should I do with Miss Mimi? Let me know down below in the comment section. What the hell? What is even going on with this? I think, you guys, I am actually at a loss for words. I need a better mirror. I really don't know what's going on. Is this... The wig looks like it should be a part right here. And I don't know what this is going... I really don't know what is really going on right here. I'm gonna have to spray this with some water, y'all. What I'm doing here is basically spraying the wig with water, using some Gorilla Snap gel, and getting my comb to really define the waves that naturally came on this wig. And then I put some bobby pins just to hold that wave. I'm gonna do the same thing with this side here. Spray it with water, use some Gorilla Snap gel, use a comb to really define those waves a little bit more, because as you can see, the waves have lost its flare. And then after I'm done that, I'm gonna put the bobby pin on each wave, you know, like the old 50s, 1930s type of look. And then I'm gonna put my headscarf on to set it. I feel like when you spray water on this wig, it really comes alive. So you cannot style this wig without water, in my opinion. And it really does have like this pretty like curliness or texture to it once water hits it. This hair is apparently 100% human hair, so it does give you that human hair look. Without it being overly excessively shiny like normal synthetic wigs. It does feel really natural too as well, but I'm just going to continue just to put some water on the hair. And then I'm also going to at least put like some foundation here to mimic a part. Then I'm going to put my scarf on. Okay, so now I have on my dress. It's the moment of truth. I hope this wig looks okay. What do you think? I still have to take the bobby pins out though. Okay, Miss Mimi. Still gotta take these bobby pins out, but y'all see how the part, this makes a huge difference in the wig Janet collection. Y'all need to get it together and have some wigs, some parts. Some short wigs. Okay, I think I'm messing it up. I gotta see what I'm doing. I have to go in my mirror and see what I'm doing because I'm messing it up. But yes, Miss Mimi, you are really beautiful. Ready to hit the prom, y'all.